Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend Himal. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Google Chrome in Ubuntu. First of all, open your default browser and search for Google Chrome. Go through the official link and download the Chrome Deb package for Ubuntu. After download is completed, open Terminal and update the system. Sometime updating the system may take a while. Once update is done, go to the download folder and open it on Terminal. Copy the Chrome Deb package name. Now we need to run few commands to install this package. Now, the installation is done, you just need to search for Chrome and open it. You can make Chrome as default browser, or you may just leave it. So, this is how Chrome looks at first. In this way you can install Google Chrome in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot to me. See you on next video.